Coming up on Outdoor Method, we hike to the Tarns at Yellow Aster Butte, a beautiful hike in the Mount Baker wilderness. It is 4:44. We are about to start Yellow Aster Butte here in Washington. We had a bit of a incident at the campground that we were at last night, or the camping boondocking area, I guess. There's quite a few camper vans and some people pulled up. Had an altercation in the parking lot with somebody in a van. We thought it was weird, so we packed our stuff and left in the middle of the night. Drove to the trailhead. We were supposed to start this like 2 hours ago, but we're exhausted, so here we are. Bags and all. But this one's
8
we're-
miles.
it's like 8 miles,
And 2,800 feet of elevation gain.
2,800 feet of elevation gain.
All the way to the Butte, but we might just go to the Tarns where a lot of people like to camp. We were planning on doing that for sunrise, but because it's no longer sunrise, we missed it. We might go to the Butte. We're not sure yet.
You heard it. So we'll check in with trail updates as we go along. We'll see you
On the other side.
on the other side. About a mile in. We're tired. Struggling today. We're moving. Trail so far is pretty nice. It's gets right into it, right into the incline, right into the switchbacks. It's not too terribly bad. I think I'm just a little gassed today, but
Alrighty, we are on mile 2. It is kind of a vertical shot right up this way, probably for the last, I don't know, half mile has been like almost vertical, it feels like. It's a climb. Nothing technical. The views are beautiful. This is super pretty. It's supposed to be really pretty during the fall too, but it's a beautiful hike right now during the summer because we have wildflowers down there. But so far, so good.
We are about 3 miles in here. Look at these views. Just incredible. I think we got about a half a mile before the split to the Tarns. So we're gonna explore that area today. We're on a little bit of a time crunch. I think we're gonna come back in the fall and maybe do the actual butte to the top, but scenery is gorgeous. There's wildflowers all over the place. Look at that. It's just incredible. There's a nice little patch right here, but we'll check in around the Tarns. We'll take some cool videos and pictures, and we'll see you then.
That's the Tommy Ori Peak or whatever.
Yeah.
Look how pretty this is though.
So I actually forgot to do a check-in at the Tarns. We were so excited to get around and take some cool pictures and videos and stuff. So these are a few videos that we captured along the way with some amazing reflections. Just a really cool day. We're excited to go back in the fall and maybe do some overnighting here. But yeah, that was pretty much Yellow Aster Butte to the Tarns. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.